In 1947, a group of concerned citizens and physicians, led by Dr. Carl Morrison, created a venue to help abused, neglected, and emotionally traumatized children. In its first year, the Portland Community Child Guidance Clinic, as it was then called, served 216 cases from a modest house on Southwest Salmon Street. By providing all-inclusive social, mental health, and educational services to children and their families, these individuals formed a unique and innovative organization to help save young lives. That organization, now called Morrison Child and Family Services, served 6,000 children, youth, and families last year in the greater Portland area. Children like Jacob, age 7, who arrived at Morrison with a perpetual scowl on his face and a worn-out backpack with his few belongings. Jacob had been bounced around to many foster families before landing at Morrison. He carried the backpack with him everywhere because he said he didn't know when he would have to move again. He proclaimed that no one cared about him because he was a bad kid. Jacob often ran away from difficult situations, damaged his surroundings, and stole things. However, with the help of Morrison's staff, Jacob learned skills to cope with his emotions, began to develop a sense of self-esteem, and started respecting the world and the people around him. He surprised everyone the first time he laughed out loud in class, and eventually this little boy who had once walked around hunched over and frowning became the most outgoing and engaged kid in class. Morrison Child and Family Services is the largest and longest-running children's mental health agency in Oregon, meeting the psycho-emotional needs of Portland's youth and delivering vital support services to their families. Through our day treatment, outpatient, education and outreach, prevention, residential, and foster care programs, our agency provides evidence-based treatment to low-income youth who may not otherwise have a place to turn for developmentally appropriate mental health services. Your support of Morrison Child and Family Services will go directly to the children in your community who need it most. Thank you.